We just saw Fuji. And now Yamazakura, which means mountain cherry blossom. And so this is, この2つの部屋が特別室なんですね。So these are the new rooms, the special rooms, as they say, for lack of better translation. This is the other room that we booked. So there's 4 of us for this trip. And let me zoom out so you get a better view. All right. So we walk in. And then here is similar. 似てますね。ここは。
メインルームは似てますね。
はい。So this is the main room. And then that's the mini kitchen and the mini bar. Yep, with coffee and tea. これは何でしょうか？
こちらがお手洗いとあと洗面室でございます。
Oh, so bathroom and in the sink. Okay.
右側の扉がラバトリー
Okay.
でございます。
Okay. Yep, lavatory. Okay. あ、ここも、あ、でも、あれですよね。
はい。
お風呂が違うスタイルですよね。
無料でございます。
ヒノキ。
ヒノキ。
Hinoki wood bathtub. This is very nice. It smells awesome. It's the awesome thing about Hinoki tubs. And then you can see.
こちらが脱衣室でございます。ではどうぞ。
はい。あ、はい。
逆でした。
逆でした。
失礼いたしました。はい、どうぞ。
Thank you, Chia-san. So, wow, this is huge. You can have a nice party. And then,
こちらの
はい。
半露天風呂の、はい、作りでございます。
そうか。So again, this is open air or half open air. And then over here it's connected to the Japanese room again. Stylish sitting area. Nice. Okay, coming back this way. じゃあここから入ってから隣に行きましょう。
はい。
I will follow Chie-san.
です。
はい。はい、行きましょう。あ、これちょっと閉めさせてもらって。虫が変なのでね。OK。So again, this is late March, and this and Fuji, both rooms were formed, created in 5 months ago. Okay, this is the washitsu Japanese room. Japanese room. 似ているようなもんですよね。でも富士の方が若干広いのかな。
はい。
なるほど。で、風呂のタイプがちょっと違うっていう。
タイプが異なります。
あ、わかりました。
こちらがベッドルームでございます。
So this is the bedroom.
入っていただいて奥の右にクローゼットが。
with the yukata and everything. Okay, here it is. You got the yukata robes. Safe, a basket to put your belongings if you want to go to the communal bath. And some drawers down below. And another TV here. I have another view of the bedroom. Okay, so we saw Fuji and Yamazakura. These are the 2 special tokubetsushitsu rooms at Fujiiso Ryokan in Nagano Prefecture. It's a little bit out of the way, but if you're looking for a getaway where it's quaint, off the beaten path, and very comfortable, this is a historic place. Some people don't like it because it means it's old and moldy and outdated, but if you stay in one of these 2 rooms, doesn't look like you'll be suffering too badly. Hope you enjoyed.